Lifted van meet, day one. A bunch of us are here already. That's Joey's fort. That's Javi Wasabi's van. We got a Well-Tech lifted van right here with the bumper. Javi Wasabi's van's also a Well-Tech. You don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. This is Campos's rig. He's rolling in a Prius. That's Mark's van, Enyaz. He's back for round 2. He was here last year. There's my van, Well-Tech lift. Bunch of Well-Techs here right now. And then we got Whoa Trips right here. Another Well-Tech van. It's all the Well-Techs here right now. This guy's coming from Temecula right here. And then we got a YouTuber right here, Chupacabra Adventure. He's probably gonna be the most comfortable one out of all of us. There we go. We got a U-join at the meet.
Yeah, sure.
Look at that. On 37s. Slick Rick. First action van arrival. We got the GM vans here. Fantasy TV.
Hey, what's up?
And Bigfoot 4x4. There you go.
See you guys both in
GM vans. All right, we got Sebastian and Ryan finally here. There you go. More action van representation. That's right, Ryan got the ultimate kit. We'll take a better look at that in the morning. Good morning. Lifted van meet 2024. Check out this turnout. U-joint 4x4 right there. It's a Well-Tech next to it. Action van suspension, action van suspension. This one arrived last night. Don't know what's in it yet. Well-Tech, Well-Tech, Well-Tech. We have 2 GM 4x4s right there. We got a Well-Tech right there. Action van suspension right here. And there's the oddball Prius. Truck stop camping today. We're gonna head out to Anza Borrego later on today. We slept here last night. Lifted van meet 2024. Here's the rigs so far. Truck stop camping today. Then we're gonna head out to the desert.
This one really is just for
Ladder and light bar Ryan. He's about to do a meat install right here. This is one of the big perks of Flying J camping. You have your own shower and bathroom. So Brooke took her shower first, then I took my shower. So we shared the shower cost. Check this out. Ryan ladder and light bar install at the meet.
What do you use for the notch here?
There you go, he's ready to roll now. Might need to duct tape that. We're just waiting for Sebastian. He's taking a shower. I think he's gonna look for a date in Slab City. So we're gonna leave Flying J and head to Slab City when Sebastian's ready.